Friends, we're gathered here today in the sight of God to witness and bless the joining together of Zach and Candace in marriage.
I, Zachary Thomas Strang,
I, Candace Akemi Kato,
take you, Candace Akemi Kato, to be my wife, my constant friend.
take you, Zachary Thomas Strang, to be my husband, my constant friend,
My faithful partner,
and my love from this day forward,
I offer you my solemn vow,
in good times and in bad.
in joy as well as in sorrow,
I promise to love you unconditionally,
support you in your goals,
to honor and respect you,
and to cherish you as long as we both shall live.
I think the first thing you should know about Zach is how much he cares for people, how much he pours his heart and soul into his relationships. I always thought no one would be a better partner to Zach than me. But I'm so glad to be proven wrong. Zach, you asking me to be your best man was the greatest honor of my life.
Candace is my best friend. You know, I've looked up to her my whole life. I'm so happy that you two have found each other and that we all get to be here and celebrate, this day with you guys. It's something really special.
I, Zach, take you, Candace, to be my wife, to have and to hold in sickness and in health, for richer or for poorer, in joy and sorrow, and I promise my love to you forevermore.
I, Candace, take you, Zach, to be my husband, to have and to hold in sickness and for richer and for poor, in joy and sorrow, and I promise my love to you forevermore.
I now declare you to be husband and wife, and I present to everyone Lieutenant and Mrs. Strang. You may now kiss one another.
Watching you guys around each other, it's obvious your relationship is an example to the rest of us. A truly beautiful love story that can inspire all of us. All our love to the happy couple. Cheers.
I'm just so happy to see you here today with Zach, and it just warms my heart, truly. I'm so happy that you two have found each other. Candace and Zach, I hope your guys' lives are filled with so much love and happiness. Cheers.